My sound is good, right? Beautiful. So now Instagram is connected. We have YouTube here. Okay, we actually posted the link. If you guys want to join what it is we have, all right, our live audience right now. Let me give you guys an opportunity to join our live audience. So meanwhile, you want to still share the opportunity, get someone. You want to get someone, invite someone, and when how many of you are excited? Grateful and excited. Everyone put grateful and excited on the chat. Okay, put I'm grateful and excited. Okay, skill. You guys should please tell the network to not mess up today. Okay. Sound is freezing, network is poor. Okay, I think I have to change to what I'm using. I have to change the network. Let me know if it's better. I know you guys are getting it clearer on Instagram because I'm using a mobile phone. Okay, still telling me. Just a moment. I think I'm going to share the audience right now.
Excellent afternoon, everyone. Sorry for the delay. Let's give Mr. Kevri some time to get his network in order. He will join us soon. Please be patient with us.
You ever thought, okay? Even if I don't trade today. One of the things we always do, can you guys hear me? Let me know if everybody can hear me okay right now. I know we had some people on. Just a moment. Okay. There's so much coming from me right now, that I want to share. I'm just going to reduce the timeline. So I want to say sorry. Yeah, 10 minutes gone. Time is very precious. Time is one of the most precious things. A lot of people live in a world where people are in a hurry. They're in a hurry in managing time. Time is very, very, precious to everyone right now. So the fact that I am not even organized within the last 10 minutes, I am very sorry for that. Okay. And yeah, we're going to get started. And I'm confident that the value that is required of this call, you're going to get the value. Okay, but since we're all connected, I believe those on YouTube, you guys can hear me okay. That's just what I'm trying to do, connect to the YouTube to know, because at the end of the day, if the recording is not good, would waste a lot of, proper value. Okay, so I want to know, can you guys hear me on YouTube? Put 5 on the chat if you can hear me on YouTube. I just want to get an audience. Let me just know. Okay. To know, because at the end of the day, if the recording is not, I think I caught myself already. All right, balance. So on a balanced shape. So while we're here today, what's going to be different about this week? There's some level of communication. We're moving into the month. We're moving into the Ember month. All right. And this short time that I have before I trade, I want to really talk about inflation. Okay. I want to talk about inflation. How many of you are living in Nigeria? All right. How many of you here, you're living in Nigeria? You're living in Nigeria, put Nigeria. You're living in Africa, put Africa. For those of you outside of Africa, there is nowhere presently right now that inflation is not affecting. I think, what is the inflation statistic in the US right now? Billionaire Jim. Okay, I think at some point a couple of months ago, it hit 16 or 18%. A lot of people don't understand these things, okay? And so many people are just busy in a journey. A lot of people are traders. It's actually good if you're here today. If you're not a trader, why am I bringing this information? If you're not trading today, okay, it's dangerous if you're not trading, because trading puts you in an economy that is different, okay? So first, it puts you in a mobile economy, all right, where you could earn independent of any structure, any overhead, and you're earning in the world's largest or strong currencies. This information may be better off for those of us that are in Nigeria or Africa, in the third world countries, okay? Because why? we live in a different society, being the people that we are. So when you become a trader and you're earning from the financial market, you have an opportunity to mitigate the expense or increase of inflation. How? The naira to the dollar today is 900 naira, over 900 naira. I believe I'm correct about the exchange rates, okay? If you're bored with this information is not for you. If you're bored right now, you're a multi-millionaire, so I probably won't appeal to you. But if you're not bored, you should be listening to this, okay? So what's the average? What is the present today rate? I know the rates are changing, but the last time I actually changed the dollar was $1 to 900 naira. Okay, so over the last couple of months, I want you guys to, in the last 3 months, it's moved from 600, 700, okay, to 900. Okay, that's a crazy amount of increase. Okay, now one of the things we can't find in this country, in this side of the world, is as the dollar, the economy is somewhat controlled by exports, which means as the dollar is increasing, the cost of living is increasing. The person who used to earn 100,000 3 months ago, I am not sure, okay, there's been a percentage increase on their salary over the last 3 months. Am I being correct? All right, am I being honest right now? Okay, if you're doing a 9 to 5, I'm not sure there's been a dramatic increase in salaries over the last 3 months, but there's been a dramatic increase in rent, in food, in school fees, in every lively expense. Okay, but there's not been. So a lot of people are in the rat race. They're working for money. Okay, but money is not working for them. Money is not even appealing to their lifestyle. You're in trouble if you're not earning in dollars. If you're in this side of the world, what happens? So you could see me today. I love to do drama. Okay, just to sell this information to anyone who's listening to this, because this is a vital part, and it's also a vital part why what I'm going to be sharing at the end of this call is going to be important for traders and incoming members who want to learn this skill to earn money. So behind me right now is a clip of money. You see this right now. Okay, we like to carry this around, though it's going to change anytime soon. So what I'm holding in my hand right now is actually the average 2-month salary of someone who's earning good in Nigeria. 2-month salary is good. All right, what I'm holding in my hands. And, you know, you see, as beautiful as it looks, this is just less than, okay, I could say it's less than it's less than $400. What's here right now? It's less than $400, but this is a lot of money in Nigeria. Okay, but it's less than $400. What is it going to cost you to earn $400 in the market every single day? How many of you would love to learn how to earn $400 or $500 every single day over the next 12 months, 24 months? Because if you do not plan your future now, your future is planning for you at the same time. Okay, a lot of people don't plan. A lot of people just live life the way it is. They say your comfort zone is your broke zone. A lot of people are comfortable with earning 100K, 200K a month, all right? And just because you are escaping it, it's not affecting you too much. It's affecting you whether you like it or not. It may not reveal its effect now, but 1 or 2 years later, it will catch up with you. And that's when you begin to struggle and make bad business choices and decisions. I've seen a lot of people, all right, they get a lot of capital and they invest in bad business because of pressure. Today, I am here in your face. Being a guest or someone is not in the financial market, all right, my takeout for you today, all right, if you're earning less than $1,000 a month, even if you're earning $1,000 a month, there could be higher. But if you are here today or you're listening to this information, someone sent you this, and you're earning less than $1,000, you're working against, inflation is working against you. You have to find a way to move, to shift. And one of the ways is learning how to scale up your leverage or your income through the financial market. Now we have things that are amazing. The products we're launching right now, they're amazing products. One of the beautiful things everybody now knows that is I could learn this skill and I could leverage why I'm learning. This course I am doing right now, this call I am doing right now, a lot of people are growing money just for this free calls. Just learning how to buy and sell in the financial market. You could actually invest and start growing money. There are ways you could invest in people and start making money. There are ways you can invest in currencies, cryptocurrencies, stocks. You could start making money. What you need, I need everybody to write it, is knowledge, access to knowledge. Okay, access to knowledge. ACK, ask. Okay, did I get it right? ATK, ask. All right, access to knowledge. It's cheap now. It's cheap to get access to knowledge. Okay, it's cheap. What's it going to cost me to get access to knowledge? So the first thing is what? My interest. Number one thing. Okay, you need to be interested. For you to afford the right access to knowledge, you need to be interested. Your interest will bring you the right people, will bring you the right community, will bring you the right interest. People, see, you are like a magnet. A lot of people think they need a lot of money. You are not paying for this, what I'm doing right now. But over the course of time, I may go into this market. Some people are going to make $100. Over my decision in the market today, some people can make $1,000. Some people can make $10,000. Okay. It didn't cost money, but because you were interested, you're following me today, all right, or someone invited you, access, the interest is bringing you here today. But on a beautiful scale, there are people who are committed to what it is we're doing every day, and they are earning every single day, all right, $10, $20, $100, $1,000 over the course of the week, okay? These people, they are inflation proof. In the next 1-2 years, we're going to be betting multiple six-figure income earners and millionaires in US dollars. The question is, do you have that hope? That is what we're doing here today. With that being said, so if you're not connected, I'm going to be sharing something amazing at the end of this call. I love to always do this because I'm fired up right now. I'm fired up. There are magical income opportunities. I don't know why I'm calling it magic. It's magical. You never thought they were there. Okay. Don't leave money on the table. There is money in the financial market, over $6.6 trillion trading. There is money. And what we do is we're learning opportunity system. We're learning strategies that I can sit from the comfort of my phone and I can earn. All right. I can invest and I can make money and withdraw. September is going to be our withdrawal month. All right. How many of you are ready for withdrawals? So let me go into the market and I'm not going to be deep in the charts today. Okay. I'm not going to be deep. I'm just going to align two currencies and how you guys are going to invest. These are the currencies I'm going to invest in over the course of the week. All right. It's just going to be a GBP pair and a USD pair. So with that being said, I'm going to be off Instagram right now. So if you guys want to get the detail of our chat, get into the link I just posted. All right. So that's the link. And we're also live on YouTube. My link to my live or my YouTube is on my bio. So you guys can get it and join the live call right now. God bless you. Are you guys ready to see the market? Beautiful. So let's see. So yeah, I told you guys we had a trending market downwards last week. All right. And this market, I'll give you guys a tip of a buy, but I want to look at the currency first. My major currency I want to look at is, where's my GBP JPY? Something is missing in my chart. All right, good. So we have a buy opportunity in this market. I'm going to take everything off right now. GBP JPY, we have a buy opportunity. GBP pairs are going to be having a serious buy opportunity because there's been a break of structure on the upside. All right, so you guys watch out for this. Beautiful. So if the market comes to this area, I'm not doing my top to bottom analysis. Okay. But I do tell you the market is coming all the way here for a major sell, and that may happen next week. I'm not sure it's going to happen in the course of this week. But this is where I told you guys that the market is coming up. We've been buying it. We bought it earlier. We started buying it last week, right? Yeah, we traded it last week for the buy all the way from here. And it's broken this structure. We had our TP from here. So it's broken structure. So you can see this was a break retest sold. Now it hits a major floor, which happens to be, I told you guys this was where we sold from. All right, last week. And it's, you see this right now. This is momentum on the buy. The market is buying right now. So, and it's still on the buy. This is serious buy. So if it comes back here right now, we're going to have a test of a bullish trend on the 1 hour. Okay. And we're going to be taking a demand. So this market, the market comes to 184.66. It's a buy on GBP JPY. All right. It's going to be a buy. And our risk is going to be, let me see. That's going to be long. Market may move from here. So I want to be careful in giving you guys this area. But let me just be. So stop loss is going to be, wow, it's less than 20 pips. Less than 20 pips. Okay, so let's do. So I'm just going to do 20 pips, stop loss. Unless there's a crazy spike, this market is not supposed to do more than 20 pips. Yeah, it's not supposed to do below. So all of this, okay. Another thing it may want to do, let me see. I wouldn't want you to do. You'll be losing a lot of risk when you come here because the market breaks here. If you retest here, that may be another. The market, don't run away. You better not run away. You're gonna come this very soon. So you could do 25 pips, just so there's no spike. 25 pips stop loss. Yeah, and this goes all the way to boom yaka. Okay, 25 pips stop loss. So it's a risk. It's a 1 to 4, over 1 to 4. It's over 100 pips. This market is going over 100 pips if you start buying. Yeah. That's 100. Good. It's a good market. So this is where I'm looking at buying, and we just hope it comes. I don't want this market not to go because at the end of the day, there's another price action activity here right now. Okay. If this candle closes as a bullish candle on the hourly, this may be going because this is a break and retest of structure. All right. But I don't like it. This is really the strong move. So I'm praying it comes. If it doesn't, this guy may go from here, but it's not my active trade, it's not my active style. I don't want to do that. But that's actually an active. If this market closes above this area right now, some of you may want to do, your quick get-ins. Yeah, there is something here also. Come on. Unfortunately or fortunately, there's something here. There's going to be an activity here. Okay. So if this candle closes as a bullish candle, this market may start buying. So some of you could use your light reach to get in, but I'll faithfully just wait for this market to come here and I'll take a buy. Okay. So that is a buy. So this is how we give a trade. A lot of people wonder, for those of you that are new, okay, you may be wondering right now, how can I make money? Kendry, I don't really understand all of these things you just did right now. I don't understand what's even, get to what point do I enter? For those of you that are new, this may not be ideal for you now. This info I'm giving may not be ideal, but there is a way we get to help those that are new, that have understood how to copy and paste. Okay, so all you just need to do is download the broker, fund money into the broker. You have access to the trade. Just tell do what we tell you to do in entry, stop loss, and take profit. So one of the things is, so this market is like buy. So what we do is that we give the trade in this format: buy GBP JPY at, so I'm going to show you guys something. So this is how people copy and paste and make money. At, so let's say that is 184.72. $184.72. Now stop, that's entry. Three things that are important for you to take a trade is the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit. Okay. Entry is where you invest in the market. The stop loss is your put cents on the chart. So the stop loss there is 25 pips. So 25 pips, all right, minus. So if you minus 25 pips from the present entry, it's going to be 184.52. So that's 184.52. Okay. Now take profit, TP, 1. I love to do 1-to-1. 1-to-1 means I'm risking 25 pips. My take profit is 25 pips. So if I add 25 pips to my buy right now, it's going to be 184.92. 97. Did I? No, I only did 20 pips. Sorry, guys. Okay, so this is going to be 47. All right, I did 20 pips. So this is going to be 97. 184.97. So that's a 25 pips take profit and a 25 pips stop loss. Does this make sense? Now TP2, which means you could get in on the trade twice, and the other one is going to be 100 pips. So that is going to be 185.72. All right. So that is the trade parameters for GJ. So Kendrick, so at what point do I know the trade is going to be there? I don't know. Okay, would I be sitting and watching the market? Okay, apparently there are different ways you can take the trade. One is you could set an alarm. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is on my trading view, when you set up, you can set an alarm. But this is also for people who are pros. It means they're in the business. What are the babyish way to take this trade? The second way is that you can set the trade ahead. So what's the way to set the trade ahead? You could go to your MetaTrader 4, and what you do, there are different options of taking a trade. All right, one of the options is called pending orders. Okay, so we have market execution and we have pending order. Pending order is I'm not going to be watching the market. I want to take the trade, automate the trade to take the trade for me when it gets there. So what it means is you're going to go on your broker, and these are the things you're going to be learning. It's going to take you a day. All right, less than a day to learn how to copy and paste when you come into our environment. We're going to teach you how to copy and paste, and you're going to make money with copy and paste. So this info right now, it's going to be beneficiary to you even if you are not in the market. So all you need to do is get into your broker, set a buy limit. All right. So I'm not calling this trade as a buy limit, but I'm just trying to help someone who doesn't have time. Okay, because I don't love to do objective buys. So this trade, okay, I may want to see a 15 minutes rejection, but for those who don't have time, anyway, it means you're risking more. Not that you're risking more money, but you're getting into the market because you're not there. So there's something that is taking the market. It's like a robot. It's taking the market from you, for you. So what you do is, where's my text? You go to your broker, select order, put a buy limit. Okay, so that's that, buy limit. Does it make sense? So what this will do is if you set the buy limit now, you could leave your phone, you could even off your net. It doesn't need network. Automatically, when it gets there, it's going to take the trade for you. It's going to execute for you. Does this make sense? How many of you like this? Because a lot of people get to ask is, I don't have time to trade. No, you don't have interest to make money. If you have the interest, you will learn a way, okay, to make money. So this is what we do within our system. Okay, we call the trades that we analyze for our members. Some trades are like this. Okay, you get the trade idea. So you don't need any technical experience to take a trade like this, do you? Yes or no? You guys just talk to me right now. Do you need any technical? Do you need to know how to draw all of this chart to take what I just sent to you? Yes or no? You don't. So you could pass. So as long as you are in the group, we send this trade right now. So what I do tell people is this: if I am using a buy limit, I always reduce my risk. But one of the things I want to do right now, over the course of going forward, there's a way we'll be trading Pearl Nation. All right, I'm not going to be divulging all of this information here, okay? Because this is exclusive for everybody. But there's a way I'm going to be helping you guys trade your risk. But I'm more interested in withdrawal. So there's more activity I'll be doing in risk management within the community. And I'm going to be sharing that in our individual calls. Does that make sense? But if you're here today, I just want to let you know you have an opportunity to get in on this trade, whether by pending or that. I've given you 2 opportunities to trade this market right now. Okay. One is if it closes above this in the hourly, it means if this present hourly candle, we are 35 minutes in. If the candle closes above this right now, you can get in on this trade for a buy. But I don't want to trade that one. But that's a way to trade this market because that's a buy opportunity. All right, that's a buy signal. Whenever the market breaks a certain zone, comes back to retest the zone. So this is a good retest. It retested here. It didn't close below. Okay, and it opens a new hourly candle above. That's a signal for a buy, and you can take 50 pips out of the market. It's a good one. So that's one of the things you can actually wait for, or you wait for the market to come meet you here. Okay, and it's the same way. If it actually hits and rejects a 15 minutes, you can get in on the trade. If it rejects 15 minutes below, if it doesn't break, it rejects and a new candle opens 15 minutes candle, just like this candle right now. Take this market for a buy. That is the signal if you're waiting for the market. But if you're not the one waiting, that is, you could actually set a pending order. Does that make sense? Put sense if you guys got this. Okay. All right. I'm going to be talking about a broker at the end of this call. Don't worry. Don't worry. You guys, don't worry. Don't worry. So the next trade I'm going to give you guys for you guys to make money is USD JPY. USD JPY is going to exhaust. I don't know. Something happened. All right. But what I'm going to do right now, I want to look for an opportunity to sell this market. Okay. It may go up a little bit to the 1.8, but it's going to take time. But this market is going to sell. Let me see. If I have something out. Now, good. Wow, there's a breach of contract here. There's already a breach of contract in USD JPY. There's a breach of contract in USD JPY. Honestly, it ought to have sold from this area. Okay, maximum gets to this area and sold. But if it's pushing up right now, something is happening. It may want to push up all the way here. But one of the things you guys can be looking out for is a sell. So if this market gets here, there may be a very tremendous fall on USD JPY. I don't know if it's going to get there anytime soon over the next couple of days. All right. But I do know that there's going to be a fall in this market anytime soon. So where am I going to be safe to get in on the market? Okay. So all of these right now, what I call I need this market coming back into this threshold. We're going to have massive sales. if it comes back. So there may be consolidations in this market over the next couple of days. Even if it decides to sell right now, okay, it's not something you were going to get in so quick because it needs to break structures, then confirm. So these are the structure it needs to break. So this is the trend upward, okay? So for me to sell this market, it needs to defeat this trend. It means it has to come down, all right? Come in and settle for the downward movement. This is where you're going to start seeing good money in the market, all right? So that's UJ. So USD is on a high momentum. That high momentum may drag it all the way here. So you guys should watch out for this market. So if it comes here, you could use a pending order, all right? A pending order with a minimum of 100 pips stop loss. You could get this one, okay? 100 or 200 pips stop loss. Just take a slow trade, swing it. It's going to drop. Nothing is not going to stop this market not dropping from here, okay? Yeah, because it's fully exhausted right now. So if this market push here, the 14900 psychological area is going to drop. At least you could take a minimum of 100 to 200 pips if this market drops. If the market comes here, I think between here and here, it's over 200. So this is going to be a very good swing for you to swing the market. All right. But yeah, but it still needs time. It needs time. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure this market is going to buy up here just like that. It's going to be crazy. But USD has done that before. Okay, so it's not going to be new, but it's rare. So I see this market coming down, consolidating, just, it may not happen anytime soon. So this is where you take your time. I'm only going to focus on GBP, JPY, because this is not quite ready. But if you see some magical moves right now, okay, so I'm looking for a sell because it's exhausted. I don't want to buy a market that is already on momentum on the buy side over the last couple of days, weeks. It's supposed to sell last week, it didn't sell. It's supposed to sell this week, it's not selling right now, it's still buying. So what it's doing is a lot of traders don't know how to follow the move of the market. Just because it's going up doesn't mean you should follow it up. You just have to wait for where it's going to come down if you're looking at a sell. So I'm looking at a sell. I'm just looking for where is it going to come down? So it's going to come down here, and it's also going to continue coming down here if it breaks structure, retest structure. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. And that's what I'm going to be updating you guys over the course of the week on USD JPY. Does this make sense? So this is the two major pair that I'll be paying attention to, but GBP JPY happens to be this guy is going away right now. Don't be arrogant. You're arrogant. Okay. It's going away. And don't be in a hurry to get in on the market. Look, I even said break retest. I don't like this kind of break retest. So you guys have to be patient on this market. Okay, if it is not happening, wait for the sell here. Do a sell here. Do a 50 pip stop loss. You could put a pending order here. Do a 50 pip stop loss. All right. There's going to be a sell here. Where's 50? So you may not want to come. Let me see. 16. 40. Yeah. 50. So do a 50 pip stop loss for 100 piece move. You could do that. There's a sell here. So if it's not coming to the buy, there's a sell here. So you guys can actually set. I'm just going to set an alarm. And I'm going to say something. Well, I'm closing with this chart up. So there's a buy and a sell. You can't do both. You could do both in some brokers, all right? But this is money. Why is this very important? Common mistake a lot of traders make. You guys want to know? What I do? What I want to know on the chart. And if you're coming in here, if you want to get to $1,000 a month, $500 withdrawals a week, there is a type of mistake that a lot of traders make, usually when they're new. It's when you are lost, to calm down. Put on account to calm down. Okay. A lot of people give a ticket because they are trading what they're not supposed to trade. There's always a direction for each pair over the course of every week. What you need to do is find the direct market at the beginning. the market to come to the going to then trade it. That's the most disciplined. All right. So they just analyze, see where the market is coming in. They're trading off that. So, and that way, they are managing the buy. So they miss the opportunity of the direction and they begin to struggle over the week. How many of you have noticed that in your trading? All right. And that is what I do with you with this masterclass every week. What I do is I analyze the market. Mondays do not really, Monday is a reflection of mirror trading. Whatever happens at Friday, we swallow and calibrate on Monday. So the volume actually coming towards the evening on Mondays, main volume. And Tuesday, the market was set up to Thursday evening and Friday morning. Okay, that's when you see. So all you need to do is on Monday evening or Monday afternoon, begin to set up what the market is reacting and looking like. Where is it going? Like USDJPY is going somewhere right now. Okay, and because of this class, I've been able to tell you where it's coming to. I don't have to trade if the market. I don't have to trade this week if the market does not come. You know, one mistake a lot of people, they think they have to trade every day. How many of you have been there? You think, you have a feeling you have to trade every day. Okay, I want you guys to settle down. You don't have to trade every day. Only trade when you have a day of trading. What is the day of trading? When your setup actualized. So you don't miss up on this hard work. You don't miss out. So what I'm going to be doing right now is there's a type of trading I'm going to. If I cash one trade, one, I may even need one trade for the week. One. If I miss it for the week. But if I cash it well. One trade is going to give me a minimum of 4% if I cash it well. So if I do 4%, isn't that a good investment? And I don't have to stay looking at the market every day. Okay. You know I told you guys earlier enough that we are operating on a new risk to reward ratio. Okay. Did I announce it? I think I announced it. Madam Ihoma, I announced it, right? Yeah, I announced the new risk to reward, right? Good. How many of you are excited about that? There's even a new update. You know, I told you guys they're going to break even after the fact. Don't break even. Take the trade, you're done for that trade until you hit stop loss or take profit. Don't look at the trade. I want you guys to take your emotions off the market. Okay? How many of you are ready to emotion-free trading? EFT. Put the EFT. You cannot make your huge withdrawals if your emotions are connected to the market. I will help you do that. All right. I want to help you. I want to be vulnerable, put myself out so that I can help as many people as they can. We're going to ignore what is not profitable and focus on what is profitable. And when we catch it, we'll load it. Okay. I want to help you release money to make money. How many of you are ready to lose money? Put I am on the chat. How many of you are not ready to lose money? Say, I don't want to lose money on the chat. Okay. That's the sound of money anyway. I mean, if you're ready to lose money, put I am. If you don't want to lose money, put I don't want to lose money. I know some people will be wondering right now, why are there so many I am? Am I in the wrong place? If you're new, that's what you'll be thinking. Am I in the wrong place? Why would people be saying they want to lose money? In the Forex market, every risk is a loss. Okay, if you're not willing to take the risk, you cannot gain. So not until you start training yourself to risk, which is lose, you cannot gain. A lot of people are protecting what they are protecting their risk. You're not supposed to protect your risk. You're supposed to risk your risk. So when you take the trade, you're watching the trade to see if you're not going to, the fruit is already dead. It has to die. Leave it, let it go. So I want to teach you to let your trading go so that the go brings, let the worm go and catch the big fish. Stop protect. You cannot eat the worm. Okay. Do you want to withdraw your capital? Question. Do you want to withdraw your capital? Is it your capital that you want to withdraw? Why are you protecting your capital? How many traders A lot of traders are protecting their capital. True or true? Am I being honest here right now? You're protecting your capital. Okay. Do you want to withdraw your capital? You funded $100, okay? And you got access to a $3,000 account. Okay, you want to withdraw your $100 or you want to withdraw 3,000? Which do you want? Put it on the chat. I'm just being honest and true here right now. So let's let go of $100. So if I need to take 3 trades for $100, I will outline $100. It is 3 trades that I want to take for this $100 account. Any trade I see, I'll cash the trade and I will use 3%. Okay, and that 3%, 1 to 1 is 3%. 1 to 4 is so there's a way I've broken the risk for the individual. That's why what I said I'm going to communicate in the group. But I'm just telling you guys that are here, if you guys, I'm telling you ways you guys can benefit from funded accounts. Okay, we have a new funded structure, and there's something amazing coming. I'm trying to, you know what I'm doing right now? I know you guys are playing with my head. You guys are coming into my head. You guys are trying to penetrate my head right now. You're using mind proof. You're trying to get information from me. I'm being protective right now. I don't want to share an information. Something is happening on Friday. I want to give you guys a tip. I'm being protective. I said I was going to be protective over the course of the week because I'm so excited. That's why you see me. I'm dressed like this. I'm looking withdrawals. How many of you are seeing withdrawals in me? All right. I'm looking Twitch. I'm looking like $1 million. All right. And I'm surrounding myself. You see this? I'm seeing money. I'm giving away money. I'm doing a lot of things right now because September is going to be the month of withdrawal. I want to help as many people to make withdrawals. And God has helped us with something very, very man. I love that tongue you just spoke right now. Liba. How many of you are here? You're not trading. You've not started trading. You've not started making money. Talk to me. Let me be your friend right now. And guess what? There's going to be a lot of giveaway in the month of September, actually. If you're here, you're a trader. If you're here, you are not yet a trader. You're new, okay? Or you've been trading, but you've not started being profitable. Okay, everybody may answer to this because a lot of people are trading and not being profitable. We have a new system for you. People are not answering me. You guys are. I'm liking the fact that you're not answering me. It just helped me keep the information that I don't want to share. But if you answer me, I'm going to give you an idea. So if you're not here, this is majorly for people who are still scoping. Can I trade? Is it my thing? Okay. Yes, now I can confidently tell you can trade. And we have the right approach for you to trade. You know, before now, a lot of people don't have access to equity. What I've done with Pay What Nation is I've given people an opportunity to get direct access to equity. Now, okay? Not through a process of evaluation. I'm talking direct. So you can come in today and get access to a leverage account, direct. All right? How many of you love that? Put direct on the chat. You like to trade with a $10,000 account, direct, without evaluation, direct. All right? And I'm going to tell you the advantage. So, good. So now I'm getting your interest. So there are my partners right now that are interested. Okay, we're into a very strong partnership. I love to call it partnership. I am a coach. I'm a mentor. I'm an expert advisor. I help people leverage the knowledge to get access to equity. Okay. Now there's an institution that is looking for people that know how to trade. So there's a mutual agreement between me, okay, and a service provider. They need people who know how to trade, and they want to give you direct access to live equity. All right. And when you make profit, they will share 70% with you. They'll take 30%. They want to make money because of the available money they have. I mean, if you want to come into that relationship, that is what the relationship of trading. So that's a way for you to understand. If we call it funded management, that's a way for you guys to understand the first step. So this is the first step. So the student of Pearl White Nation are going to be set up through copy and paste. So I know you may not be a pro trader like me, but I want you to mirror my trading direct. So like classes like this, we have over 15 classes like this. We have a Signal channel within our nation, okay? That when you get access to this direct equity, all you just need to do is take yourself off, all right? Be a good student and just follow instructions. We'll call the trades. We'll tell you this is one buy. This is the risk you need to use. Use 2%, use 3%, use 1.5 for this trade, use 1.5, okay? And when we do profit, we make profit together and we lose together. And we're going to trade less. We're not going to distract you no more. So one of the good news is there is no more many trades. There's just one trade at a time. How many of you are excited about this? If it is one trade we got in the week, you get it. All right? If it is one trade we get in a day, you get it. Not until we hit our loss or profit, no other trade. Okay? Because why? At the end of the week, starting from next week, everybody is going to be making simultaneous withdrawals. So the moment you get the account this week and we start trading the account, we're going to be having a collective trading Pearl White Nation model. We trade together in the account. Okay. So if we're buying GJ right now, if I say, let's go buy limit. Okay. If I say buy limit, it means everybody go say buy limit. You have to say, don't wait. It's not your trade. Okay. Just follow instruction. If I say buy limit now, and that is one of the things I'm going to be doing. I'm setting up right now. So if I leave here right now, I'm going to look at that trade. I'm going to send the trade. If it's a buy limit, I'll tell you. If we have to look at it and say, okay, let's look at it. I'll tell you. I'm going to see how the market reacts. But right now, that's why I give the trade and I give a honest opinion on how the trade is going to react. But within the team right now, we're going to be very direct to say, you know what, this trade is still preparing buy limit. Like I can tell you right now, GBP, JPY, okay? If the market is going up, tell us to go set a buy limit for that sell. The sell is going to be, if it is up, it is going, we're going to sell it down. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys know, all right? So that is what we do. All you need to do is get the account and give us something. Give us your obedient nature to just follow instructions. And what will happen is, if you use a 3K, a 100, a 10, a $3,000 account, and we were able to do 10% a week, how much are you going to withdraw? How much exposed to in a week? All right. I'm using a week right now because I know you guys love quick money. So let me use a week to get your interest. It's 10% a month. All right. Because now we have access to huge equity. You do 10% a month. So $300 would be your access. So now you are going to keep $270. The broker is going to keep $210 and the broker is going to keep what, $90. Is that good investment? That's 10% of your investment. Is this making sense? Sense to you? Cambry, you mean by just following instruction, I'll have 100% of my investment? That's what it is. Now you can withdraw $210 and you can go get a higher account. Okay. Or you could make a decision to say, oh, you know what? I don't want to make withdrawal. I want, okay, I've not found out that information. Okay, with this broker, you can actually scale your income. But I don't know about 3,000, but I don't know 10,000. But this is access to withdrawals. And I want, whether you're following me in Pearl White Nation or you're following me outside the nation, everybody could take this means to make income. But what you need is what we have in Pearl White Nation together. We have that instruction. We have that All right. So that is about our first step. Everybody say put 2. What's the second thing? Put step 2. Are you guys ready to know step 2? Cambridge, just excited. Cambridge, calm down, calm down. You better watch your mouth, calm down. Yeah. A lot of people have suffered in trading. A lot of people have suffered. A lot of people are struggling. There are certain things that will happen in the course of your life. You need a partner. All right. You need a system. System simply means save yourself time, energy, and money. The relationship we've offered in Pearl Heart Nation is God-driven. You know, I had someone who messaged me a couple of minutes ago. He said, one thing I love about you is the fact that you announce God. All right. No, Martin, you don't need that. Don't worry, I won't understand. You watch the video. God is at the center, front, back end, and shadow of all we do. He's taking us somewhere. I've gone through pain. I've gone through a process to bring what it is we have to you. And I am not relenting. I've seen people go through pain. I've seen people lose hard-earned money. And I see people who still lose a lot of money in trading just because they don't know the simple steps. And even though those who know, or I find it difficult to follow them. I'm always in quest to how can we make things better? Okay, come Friday, I'm going to be sharing with you guys an opportunity where you could automate your earning, even as a trader. So we launched our first auto copy system. This is the best I can give you, the info I can give you guys today. Our first auto copy system we launched. I'm going to tell you guys the challenges we hit. You know, some people were profitable, some people were not. It's just our first phase. All right. Now, on the long run, everybody is going to be profitable. But I saw something that I didn't like. I'm going to be sharing that with you. Everybody's going. There's no way you cannot make over 100% of your profit over the next 6 months to 1 year. I believe in a year, you're going to make over 100%. All right. But there's something that I saw that I didn't like. That's good money for an investor, not a trader. All right. I'll be honest with you. For an investor, 100% in a year, the banks don't give you that. I believe that's a good income. Am I being honest? That's a good income. For you to have 100% of your equity in a year, is that a good income opportunity? Okay. That is what our Pearl Heart Money Magnet autocopy system is going to do for you. All right. But as God would have it, so someone puts $500 and we do 10%, that's $50. Someone put $5,000, 10%, that's $500. It may not happen in a month, but it may happen over time. So if you do 100%, that's an extra $5,000 or an extra $500 in a year. Just leave the money, let it work for you. Doing nothing. That's good income. All right. So I'm going to give you guys some details on Friday, but let me tell you this. What with our new product, so we're launching 2 products, all right, which is called the FIT. You see what I'm doing? I'm trying to reduce the information so I don't debug. Okay, so the FYP is a funded investment program. The idea, what our first autocopy system is going to do for you, all right, in a whole year, we want to be able to do it for you in a month. I'm looking at the chat. I'm trying to understand your expression right now. I don't know there's question. If there could be an avatar that could just be bringing a question in your mind. Why are you being excited? You don't want to know how? And yeah, it's just normal for you to be. But I'm just trying to let you guys know. Okay? I just want to let you know. So you probably will get 100% in it. If we're doing 10% every month, if you don't compound, if you make withdrawals, that's 100% in 10 months. Okay? So 100% of $500 is how much? Is $500 in 10 months. That's an amazing income. It means if you do 5,000, that is $5,000. Good amount of income. Sleep money. I did nothing. I just leveraged. But what I'm telling you here today, what we are launching, okay, you are not going to invest $1,000 or $500, but you're going to make an equivalent of 100% in a month. So when I told you guys, I am grateful to God for you on this call. Thank you for being on this call. Your ear will manifest. All right. You're going to make the choice if you want to believe, if you want to be part of it, if you're excited, if you're curious, if you're doubtful, it's all your choice. But I've come this far to understand one thing. There is no limit to money you can earn. All you just need to do is be intentional and driven. Okay. Part of the things we want to launch in the future just came to grab me, and I'm taking advantage of it. I'm going all out for it. Okay. And I want as many people. So within the team, we're doing something different. All right. And as in our automation, we're doing something different. So 2 powerful products. All right. With as low as $300. Okay. Many of you are going to be cashing out over 100% a month. Okay, this is not my kind of product, but for you guys to see me express this and I'm excited, no pressure. And I'm going to be telling you guys why we had, because irrespective, not many people are truthful in this environment. I just came out here, this is a public call, and I told you guys, our previous autocopy system, okay, some people were profitable, some people weren't, okay? Not many people will tell you that, true or true? Not many people. Everybody wants to sell you the what you like. I'm not that person. I'll tell you the truth. Because there's something I know. I'm a profitable trader. And when I lose, I find out why I lose, because I know how to win. And if I can know how I lose, I made money. Because why? There are people that I can help know that same thing and they won't lose money. Everything I experience is for a purpose. So I'm not going to hide it from you. That's why I want to share it with you. And it's going to actually help your next 2 years journey, because you have to understand, okay, the reason you're gaining this information, have you taken it somewhere? Are you going to be under my wings in the next 2 years or 3 years? Okay. What are you going to do with this info, this person, this knowledge? At some point, I was a student. Okay. Today, I am a provider. At some point in your life, you may be a provider. Today, I have educators that are now providers within my system. At some point in your life, you're going to be a provider in someone's system, or you're going to own your system. These things that I'm sharing with you, you may not understand the value today. I'm not in a business of being scared of creating a competitor, because there's nobody that can compete with me. Are you guys? A lot of people in this industry, they are scared of competition. I am not scared of competition, because I am not in any competition. God gave me a vision. The only competition I have is the person who didn't do the work yesterday. That is the only competition I have. I'm not proving to anybody in this life that I am a bastard trader making a lot of money. That's all bullshit. The only thing that I seek to achieve in this life, that we're going to create 1,000 millionaires, and we're going to sponsor the kingdom of God with high income, crazy money. We're going to create a lifestyle that's going to attract people to the kingdom of God. That's what matters. Everything I do has an agenda. I'm not in a competition with anybody. Okay, so if I fail, I get up because I know I'm sponsored. So if I teach you how to make money, my goal is you will become my partner in this kingdom. So I will support you with the best so that you be the best of yourself. I will not withhold anything from you. Trust me. I'm not the person who withholds. So I'm grateful today. I have wealth as my educators. I have David as my educator. I have Emmanuel as my educator. Did I withhold anything from them? Okay. And I've helped thousands of people who now own systems. I am grateful. I support them the best way I can. But one thing I do know, if all of you evolve and you become service provider, I'll offer you a hand. Let's grow this vision. But if you want to be your own, I'll still be your best friend. But I will not withhold knowledge from you. Does this make sense? I want you to trust me in this. So they are part of me. They are part of the things that I give to you or I share today, like calls like this, that I give this kind of value. People wonder, before I actually, formed Pure Heart Nation or created this, a lot of people, I had a lot of disengagement because of how I approached the environment. It's like I was going ahead of myself to give too much for nothing. And I said, it's all an agenda. Okay, this is the way God gave me. A lot of people don't like it. And I'm not doing it so that you like it. I'm not creating a popularity scheme here. But I do know that the one that is driven, my mission in life is to help people discover their purpose. Forex is not what will help you discover your purpose. There's a reason we're doing Forex. Forex is to attract you to me. So I have something that is going to help you. We have a mutual friend, money. True or true? Okay. Some of you, if I told you who I am, you will not hear me. Because why? You have problems that is taking you away. But today you like what I do. True or true? All right. And when you come into my environment, I'm going to teach you things that you will not, because you are in my environment, you will listen because you need what I have. God will make you relevant that people cannot resist you. All right. You can say amen to that. That's what God did with me. There was a time in my life I was timid. So why am I sharing this with you? In the month of September, we're launching 2024. Normally, they launch a year in November. We're already launching 2024 in the month of September because the only thing we're going to be celebrating over the course of the next couple of months, how many people made withdrawals this Friday? How many people are making $1,000 withdrawals? How many people are making $10,000? We're just going to be celebrating increase because what God has given to us, He perfected it. He has trained us for it, and He's just going to perfect it. Don't miss it. All right? That's one of my GJ. Wow. GJ, you decided to come down. What's the time right now? Oh, this is already o'clock. Oh, sheesh. Bad design. Bad design, bad design. It's the clock. Oh, let me change it to 15 minutes. You see, this is why most times I don't like pending orders. Okay. So let's see if this 15 minutes, guys, watch. If this, and this candle may be a terrorist. Watch out for this 15 minutes. If it doesn't break this region and opens the next 15 minutes candle, the next 15 minutes candle is your entry. Okay. But this candle is looking like a terrorist. The way it dropped now, this is just, we just entered in the last 30 minutes, this candle just dropped this fast and it just hit our zone. Come on. It just hit our entry. But I want to see rejection. Help me see rejection. So let's watch out for rejection. Let's not be in a hurry. If it comes, it comes. If it doesn't come, lose it. It's okay. But I know some of you will feel, oh, Cambry, why don't I just... So let me check UJ. What happened to UJ? It dropped? Jesus, way. I told you guys. I said this guy is going to drop. I knew this guy was going to somewhat drop. Ah. Let's be patient. Okay. Ah. So this is there may be a break and a retest. So hey, you know, I told you guys I was looking for a sell, but this just changed them. This just changed it right now. And because it just happened like this now, I'm not going to be looking for a buy quickly on USD JPY. Let's just see. This is momentum release. It means all these things were fake all along. And don't think this may just be a scheme to continue. Don't think so. I only do that on the hourly. It means if there is a strong hourly closing and a strong hourly opening before I can take it up. I need us to carefully wait for what's going to happen. All right. For GJ, guys, let's watch. Was there news? Okay, there's news in USD. Hey, USD crash, and this may be the continuous crashing. Guys, don't be too in a hurry to make a decision. Okay, if there is an active news that are supposed to have dropped USD, so now I'm looking at this market. Okay, let's just be patient. I want to sell USD JPY honestly. All right, a honest opinion about the sell. I want to sell. See why I want to sell. Can you see it's wicking this out right now? This is not an active sell. This is not an active buy. It's killing the wick. And if this closes today as a sell, you will be in trouble for a buy. Are you guys with me? So there is more opportunity for the sell. Guys, all right? I know it doesn't make sense right now, but there's more opportunities for the sell on the daily perspective than for the buy. So let's be patient. I need what happens to gain strength. Thing is, it may drag this, it may drag GJ. Okay, drag GJ. If JP, what happens, it may now drag, so that there's not going to be a conflict. Wait out for the next couple of minutes. We have 16 minutes in. So this market is hit and run. If you are done a pending order right now, I believe you'll be taking your first TP out right now. That's the risk of trading. Okay. But anyway, we're going to update you guys. We're just going to, what I now need you guys to do is this market means for 3 o'clock. If it doesn't close below this, all right, notify the group that it has retested. If a new candle opens on the 15 minutes, anywhere around this area, not up here, this is crazy move, we can buy it up for GJ because I believe GBP is going to. All right. Someone who wrote, you guys know me, I'm not in a hurry to get in the market. I just want to see price action there. I to write about the market has come into consolidation. So if I really want to tell you guys to wait, I'll tell you guys, wait. It's better we see a sell. It's better, even better in GBP this week. Hold on. Check a look. All right. So you guys just be patient with me. So I'm going to be updating with you guys on the group. Just be faithful. What was I saying? That alarm was a distraction. What was I saying? What was I saying? What was my last word? Madam Noxolo, what was my last word? I know I was in the spirit. I was saying something deep. Okay. No. I was beyond step. But however, I was going somewhere to let you guys know that we are intentional, and we carry this drive within us that it's beyond business. Okay, it's beyond business. Even if it's one at a time, two at a time, but what we're going to do over the next 1 to 3 years is going to be life-changing. Okay, you can't stop it. I can't stop it at this moment. At the point where I could have quit, I couldn't. But right about now is on automation. So look forward for Friday. Help as many people as you can to be present. The first 100 people are having a powerful leverage over the month of September. Okay. After that is going to be business as usual. But the first 100 people, I want to give them an elevation. Okay. And say can grow your account 100% a month. You're going to find out how you're going to do it. It's just magical. If I was told, I'll tell you run away, but I'm the one telling you. I'm this kind of person. If I see high yield, I'll tell you run away. But there's just something magical that happened. Okay. It's the first happening in the industry, and we have access to it happening. And I am blessed. So don't miss out. Don't miss out on Friday. Get as many people as you can. This is what I can tell you. We are on supply and demand zone. Some of you will make a lot of cash, a lot of money. But some of you will earn a lot of money, but some of you will make a lot of money. You will have to make the choice. Okay. How many of you want to earn a lot of money, or you want to make a lot of money? Make or earn. For some of you, you would want me to explain the difference. Okay. It takes leverage to earn, but it takes supply to make. It takes planting to make. Today, I make money and I know how to earn money. Okay. Investors, if you invest, you would earn. When you actively do something, you're earning. But when you passively do something, you're making money. It takes supply to make money. It takes what? Demand to earn money. So if you participate in this program, you're going to earn money. But some people will make money passively by helping other people get set up. People need what I'm sharing with you. Okay. And if you help a lot of people get this information, you will end up making investor 12 months, depending on your approach. I am here to supply. You are going to make the choice. That way you're going to get supply. 6 p.m. on Friday. Make it a date. We're launching 2024. All right. Be among the first 100 people that are going to be part of this. And if you're here today, you're not in Pearl Heart Nation. One of the things is this product is going to be exclusive first for Pearl Heart Nation. Every other thing is going to be business as usual. All right. So you want to get started. If you want to wait for Friday, fine. But if you want to get started, you believe in what I'm saying right now, you just want to be part of the people that are going to be. So you don't wait. All right. I'm not ready to wait. So get started. Get started. Many things are changing over the course of this Friday. All right. And I just can't wait to experience Friday with you. But I know that we're going to be creating withdrawals. All right. What's required for Pearl Heart Nation? To be a member of Pearl Heart Nation right now is actually $350 for every 3 months. Okay, that gives you a 3-month participation, $350. And we're going to be giving anybody who signs up now, between now and Friday, I'm going to take your data. I'll be giving you a cash reward. Okay, you're going to be excited at what I'm going to give to you if you sign up between now and Friday. I'm going to be giving you a cash reward between now and Friday because we're doing something on Friday. So if you sign up now, you have triggered something that you'll be receiving something on Friday. So, and you're going to know how and why you're receiving that on Friday. So do get started. Okay. One of the things I can tell you, you're going to be getting close to about $100, probably. All right. So I'm just giving you an idea. Some of you are going to get it close to about $100 if you sign up now. So that's just something you're getting. So by signing up, I'm just trying not to say a lot of things, but you can already feel. How many of you are feeling my energy? You can feel my energy. All right, I put feel on the chat. There's so much that is coming, so much. And despite the fact of what we're bringing, we are still creating leverage for people to access us. I'm done. Okay, I can't do better. I can't do more than this. So I'll see you guys on Friday. We're going to be having a full call on Friday. I'm going to be looking forward to working. If any one of you, right, you put 50 people on call on Friday, you're going to be getting $100 from me directly. I'm going to incentivize you with $100. If you put 50 people, all right, if you put 30 people on that call, you're going to get $50. This personally, my word is my bond. If you do that, I'm just going to incentivize you for taking instruction and making effort. Not if they sign up. I mean, if you like that. I mean, if you like this challenge. So there is an active challenge right now. Okay. Shega needs to create me that flyer challenge, invitation challenge. Okay. You do 50 people, you get $100. You do 30, you get $50. For invitation. If you like, go pack your village and just tell them to attend. You're not doing me. All right. I will know eventually. Okay. Because some people know how to do that. So, but that is something I'm willing to do because I am so intentional. And and you think I'm giving you money, but what I'm doing is I'm investing in what you have. All right. I know how to invest in potential. So if anybody wakes up now and say, I'm taking this challenge, I will invest in your energy because I believe if I sow a seed in that energy, is going to produce mighty results for me as well as it's going to produce mighty. So I'm not giving you money. I'm partnering with your energy. Okay. You say, Abba, 50 people for $50. No, $100 for 50 people. If you invite 50 people and they attended, all right, and you have the proof of attendance, 50 people. Okay, I'm going to give you $100. I'm going to set you up with $100. So if you do 30, I'm going to set you up with $30. So how many of you are up for that challenge? 250 or 100 on the chat. Up. Like I told you, the month of September, it's going to be mighty giveaways. We're going to be giving thousands of dollars. All right. So we're going to be, don't worry. Okay. If you're up for it, I'm willing. I'm taking that challenge and let's win. God bless each and every one of you. It's been a wonderful 1 hour, 30 minutes with you guys. All right. And let's win. Let's win. Go all out. There are people. I told you guys. Okay. I've not shared with you. This is what you want to do. Some people are resistible. This is one you want to do. Throw in all you got. If there are people you've told and they frowned at you, there is something you have that people cannot resist. This is it. Meet everybody you know that you've invited before. Tell them this word. Use this interest. I know I may not have been the best result you want to see. You may have thought I am going in a wrong direction, but I need something from you. And this is the only time I would ask you of this. On Friday is the last time I want to invite you. If by Friday, what you will hear on Friday does not make any sense to you, delete me, block me, all right? If I ever invite you again, never listen to me, but honor me this one time. On Friday, I need you to attend this event. Cut all ties. After Friday, if they don't listen to you, block them out. But tell them this honest truth, that what they want, don't tell them they will get the best, just tell them if they did not get value, but let them just attend. If they are close to you, let them just do you that diligence. Do this for 50 people, do this for 100 people, 50 people are going to show up. You have to be intentional. And I told the team, I'm going to extend it, whether you're a new member or you are an existing member of Power Nation. If you do 50 and over the course of your 1 month of being in this environment, you're not earning $1,000, I'm going to give you $1,000. Did you guys hear me? If you do 50, but this is going to be based on a percentage of them participating anyway. It's not like I give you $100 for 50. So if you do 50 people and a large number of these people are participating, so let's say over 10, over 20 people are participating, they bought this idea, okay, and they're coming in simultaneously at different times. They believe. And in the month of September into October, you did not get $1,000 withdrawal. Hit me up. I'm going to give you $1,000. What does that mean? Anybody who go the length, minimum 2 months, you're going to be earning a minimum of $1,000. Minimum as income, passively. God bless each and everyone.